Hey guys, this is Heavykenmachinery, and we are a professional mini skid steer loader manufacturer in China with 15 years experience production. And now we are testing and showing the working performance of HK380 loader. And as you can see, our loader is taking a Forestry Mulcher attachment. And now, so let's see how it's gonna works. This morning I loaded HK380 onto the truck and I will take it to testing location. Actually my factory showroom is in downtown place, and it's really hard to find some large bushes or some small tree for testing. If I damage any trees in downtown, maybe I will get some fine. Now let's see how it's gonna work, and I will take you to see how we install the Forestry Mulcher. I'd like to see, I really still like the color design that our engineer chose for it. The combination of orange, green and a black color looks really great. And what do you think? Look at that, our Forestry Mulcher is coming, and we just finished the production and it hasn't been painted yet. Now we are going to install it onto the loader. To be honest, if you have a mini loader, it's definitely really not an easy job for you to change attachments. Like this Forestry Mulcher, it weighs about 530 pounds. When you change attachments, you need to make sure the pins go 100% into the attachments hole. Now the Forestry Mulcher has successfully matched. Another very important thing is connecting the hydraulic hoses. Actually, when you receive your HK380, you will not need to do this complicated process like what we are doing now. The reason why a little bit difficult this time is Forestry Mulcher was just finished. And now the Forestry Mulcher is working normally, and I really like the way it looks when it's working. Just feel like it can crush everything. You can control the handle on the right side, then make the Forestry Mulcher up and down. Now let's see the front side. Just look like a strong board, right? Okay, let's take a walk with HK380. And don't worry, when you receive your loader, it will come with both side guard installed. Let's try another angle. Feels like you are really standing on the loader. Here we go. It's time to crush everything. I'm not sure if you can imagine it or not, but when I drive it, I can really feel the power from HK380 engine. The HK380 is powered by Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine, and a very compact body size, but comes with a powerful engine. It's big power, and this is why I call it HK380 Plus. And now let's see how it gonna works. Now I control the attachment joystick, then the Forestry Mulcher starts working now. This angle might be more clear. The diameter of this tree is more than 5.9 inch, and I have to say it is a really strong tree and maybe a little bit challenging to crush. And usually the working performance of the Forestry Mulcher it depends on many factors, such as the diameter of the trees and how wet the branches are. Alright, there is not much left of these trees. And now let's have a look at the grass cutting performance. Okay, let's get closer and feel the power from HK380. Please forgive my operating skills. I'm not really good at driving this loader, and I have to say this is actually my first time to do this. But I believe you will definitely have no problem to drive it when you receive it. Okay, now let's take a look at how it handles smaller branches. However, these branches are lying on the ground, and I think it is this angle might be a little hard to crush. Okay, let's try another tree. This one looks better, right? Here we go. This is smaller bushes. Let's see how it works and how to crush it. Okay, let's see how to crush this small bush. I figure out that I'm really not good at driving this loader yet. I think the final test result looks pretty good. If you need any special attachments, please just feel free to let me know, and our team will customize different attachments for you, just like this Forestry Mulcher. This one was specially customized for US dealers. So see you next time.